Imagine sitting at your laptop in Manhattan's financial district, eyes glued to the glowing Forex charts swirling with GBP USD and EUR JPY pairs. Kathleen Brooks sets the stage here. The currency market doesn't pause. It's the world's biggest financial arena, moving $5 trillion daily. But here's the kicker. How do you jump in without getting tossed overboard by volatility? That's where this book becomes your lifeboat. Before you place a single trade, you've got to understand the battlefield. Who's playing and what's at stake in Forex's global dance. Kathleen opens with the bustling scene of global banks, hedge funds, and individual traders all connected in real time. She shares the story of a Tokyo-based trader, Hiroshi, whose $1 million bet on the yen's dip woke up thousands across markets. It's a relentless game where decisions in one city ripple worldwide. Think of currency pairs like a seesaw where each side affects the other. Brooks explains how EUR-USD represents a tug-of-war between Europe's and America's economic strength. If the euro rises, the dollar drops, and vice versa. It's a constant, live balancing act, much like watching a tide ebb and flow. What's wildest? Forex never sleeps during business days. It starts in Sydney, flows through Tokyo, then London, and finally New York, wrapping up a 24-hour marathon Monday through Friday. Brooks stresses this means opportunity, but also risk, because the market's heartbeat is constant, and so must be your focus. Your next move? Master what moves currencies. Brooks pulls back the curtain on the economic forces and data that shape Forex's wild swings. Brooks tells the tale of the U.S. non-farm payroll report, a monthly jobs number so volatile it can move the dollar within seconds of release. Traders like Emma in London monitor these economic reports religiously, using them as signals to buy or dump currencies before the crowd reacts. Central banks are the hidden puppeteers. Brooks vividly compares their interventions, like interest rate changes or quantitative easing, to the conductor's baton in an orchestra. They don't always reveal their moves, but when they do, markets jump like a startled cat, shifting currency values within moments. Then there's breaking news, that wild card. Brooks recalls how the 2015 Swiss franc shock blindsided traders worldwide when Switzerland unexpectedly dropped its currency cap. Overnight, fortunes vanished and others doubled. This unpredictability means you're always on edge, but also that every headline is a potential trade trigger. Now you get the arena and why currencies jump. Here's how Brooks helps you plan so you don't lose your shirt chasing quick wins. Kathleen shares the story of Miguel, a beginner who tried jumping into day trading without a strategy. After a quick series of losses, he switched to swing trading, holding positions days instead of minutes, allowing him to spot bigger trends and calm the emotional roller coaster. Brooks makes clear trading style shapes your whole game. Risk management is the lifeline Brooks champions. She paints it as a parachute. You can't control the fall, but you can control how hard you hit. Setting stop losses and limiting trade size protects your capital, letting you live to trade another day instead of chasing glory and wiping out. Finally, Brooks insists each loss is tuition for the next trade. Take her words to heart. The most successful traders don't avoid losses, they analyze and adapt. That mindset flip can transform devastating mistakes into your most valuable mentors on the Forex journey. Remember that pulsating trading desk in Manhattan? Now you see it's not just chaos, it's a rhythm. Economic forces, global traders, and your own strategy all playing in sync. Your move, pick one economic indicator and watch its market impact live for a week. Get curious, track changes, and you'll start reading the Forex market's heartbeat firsthand. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.